Hello, dear students. You all are most welcomed. In this video, I have brought models part 4. In this video, you will see exercises and their solutions. You are advised to match your solutions with the provided solution. And once again, it's my request to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you may get notification whenever I upload any video for you. So here, coming your exercises and solution. Keep watching. Dear students, as I told you in previous video, I have brought the remaining exercises. Let's start. In this exercise, you have to choose the correct answer about the meaning of the modal forms in the given sentences. Here, the questions are: number 1, may I use your phone? Options are A, asking for advice, B, asking for permission, C, making a suggestion. Question number 2, may I help you? Options are A, asking for advice, B, asking for permission, C, making an offer. Question number 3. Question is, you mustn't walk on grass, and the options are expressing prohibition, B, expressing obligation, C, expressing lack of necessity. Now question number 4. Question is, what do you think I should do? Options are A, asking for advice, B, asking for permission, C, making an offer. Question number 5. Can you help me with this exercise? Your options are A, asking for advice, B, asking for permission, C, making a request. Now question number 6. I can speak Arabic. Options are A, expressing possibility, B, expressing obligation, C, expressing ability. Now question number 7. Question is, I think you should see a doctor. Options are A, expressing probability, B, giving advice, C, making a request. Now question number 8. Question is, you must stop when the traffic lights are red. Options are A, expressing prohibition, B, expressing obligation, C, expressing ability. Now question number 9. You needn't take your umbrella. It isn't raining. Options A, expressing prohibition, B, expressing obligation, C, expressing lack of necessity. And question number 10 is, you may pass the exam. It is not very difficult. You only have to work harder. Options are A, expressing prohibition, B, expressing obligation, C, expressing possibility. Now my dear students, it was all about this exercise. This exercise you have seen 10 questions, and in this exercise you have to choose the correct meaning, correct sense of the asked questions. Now let's move towards exercise. Next exercise, This exercise is named as exercise 1. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with ought, should, have, must, or may. My dear students, as I have already told you in my previous video, I would provide you answers of all the exercises in this video only. So please be with us till the end of this video. Let's start. This is question number 1. Question is, you dash be back by 10 o'clock. Number 2. We dash love our neighbors. Number 3. Candidates dash not write their name on the answer books. Number 4. He is afraid to speak lest he dash be laughed at. Here is a point to be noted, my dear students. Should is used with lest. Always should is used with lest. Number 5. You dash finish the work by next Monday at any cost. Now question number 6. Question is, dash his soul rest in peace. Number 7. Dash he turned up now. I have nothing to give him. Number 8. They dash to get up early. Number 9. The road dash be blocked today due to the procession. Number 10. You dash not to speak your parents in this manner. This is all about this exercise, my dear students. Now we are moving towards exercise number 2. Question is, first of all, instruction. Fill in the blanks with shall or will as required. Questions are, question number 1. Dash he not do as he wishes. Number 2. Dash you give me your dictionary. Number 3. I dash not be able to go to the office today. Number 4. On receipt of this letter, you dash move at once for Mumbai. My dear students, here move is left. You add by yourself. Number 5. He dash succeed if it tries harder. Number 6. What dash we do this evening? We dash go to the cinema. Now question number 7. Question is, dash I be killed if I move out of the doors. Number 8. He dash never repeat that mistake. Number 9. If you go to the station dash if you go to the station, you dash find someone to guide you. Number 10. He who wastes not dash never want. My dear students, I want to make the meaning clear here of waste not, want not. Means save for the future and you will have no problem of the things. आज आप बचाएंगे तो फ्यूचर में आपको परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3. And exercise instruction is you have to strike out the wrong word in the following sentences. You can tick the correct word and strike out wrong words. Here the questions are displayed before you. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. My dear students, you have to strike the wrong option and you can tick the right option. This is all about exercise number 3. Now we are moving towards exercise number 4, and the instructions for exercise number 4 are: write each of these sentences using a modal verb. Here you have to rewrite these sentences using a modal verb. Question number 1 is: my sister was able to read the alphabet when she was 18 months old. Number 2 is: I am certain that they have left already. Number 3 is: perhaps she forgot about the meeting. Number 4, they suggest us visiting the Taj Mahal. Number 5, I am sure he is a thief. Number 6, nobody has answered the phone. Perhaps they have gone out. Number 7, do you allow me to use your phone? Number 8, it was not necessary for me to meet him, but I met him. Number 9, Rani will probably pass her driving test easily. Number 10, it is not necessary for you to wash the car. This is all about your exercise. Now move towards next exercise number 5. In this exercise, you have to fill in the missing forms of dare. You know, my dear student, dare is a semi-modal. Question number 1, Poonam dash not take such a step. Number 2, he dash not do it. Number 3, some people do not dash to wander in the street at night. Number 4, Neha dash not ask me this question again dash she. Number 5, dash Rohan ask his mother to lend him 200 rupees. Now question number 6, and the question is you dash how dash you speak to me like this. Number 7, he does not dash to go against the wishes of his father. Number 8, he does not dash to fight with me. Number 9, she dash me to jump over the wall. Number 10, sometimes he dash to steal money for drugs dash he. This is all about your exercise number 5. Now move towards exercise number 6, and this is the last exercise of this lesson model. And the option for this exercise is to choose the correct alternative. You can see in bracket 3 alternatives of models have been given. You have to choose the correct one, and the questions are coming before you. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and question number 10. My dear students, this is all about your exercises which I have already told you. I have provided you 4 exercises with MCQs and 6 exercises to do by yourself. All exercises you have to do by yourself, but the solution of all these exercises I am providing in this video only. Dear students, as I had told you, I would provide you the solution of the exercises. So now before you the solutions are there. You can see the first exercise in which you had to choose the right modal verb. I have given the answer from 1 to 14. The correct option has been marked in each question. So this is answer of your very first exercise. Now on the top you can see your next exercise based on present and past of modals. Answers are marked here also. In third exercise in which you had to choose must not or need not, of which the abbreviation is mustn't or needn't. Answers have been marked from 1 to 10. And next exercise in which you are supposed to choose the correct answer about the meaning of the modals are given here. Now this is exercise number 1 in which you are supposed to fill in the blanks with ought, should, have, must or may. The right options have been filled in the question. This is your question exercise number 2. In this exercise you can see will or shall has been filled in the blank spaces from 1 to 10. Now this is exercise number 3. In this exercise instruction is to strike out the wrong words in the following sentences. I have put a correct tick on the right option. If you like, you can strike out, you can cut the wrong option. Now this is exercise number 4. In this exercise you were asked to rewrite each of the sentences using a suitable modal verb. Answers are before you from 1 to 10. Now this is exercise number 5. In this exercise you can see the instruction is to fill in the missing form of dare. Answers have been given from 1 to 10. And this is finally exercise number 6. In this exercise instruction is to choose the correct alternative. I have bold the correct alternative. You are supposed to write only the correct option and leave the unwanted options in your copy. So you are advised to do all the exercises in your copy, and still if you are having any kind of doubt in your mind, feel free to talk to me. Thank you.